The Rolls-Royce Phantom and Rolls-Royce Ghost are known for their super smooth ride. That's all because of its Airmatic system. It consists of 4 air struts and a compressor. While these are very reliable vehicles, these air suspension parts often fail. You may find your vehicle leaning to the left, to the right, usually in the front, maybe on both sides. If the vehicle has been sitting for a long time, the compressor actually releases some pressure to protect the pneumatic system. But in some cases, there might actually be a leak from the airbags or a fault in the compressor itself. At MasterClass Automotive, we have several solutions for you. We can provide you the same original factory part or a remanufactured alternative with lifetime warranty at a fraction of the cost. If you own a Rolls-Royce in South Florida, we invite you to visit us. MasterClass is your trusted alternative to costly dealer service.